I love MTA.
There's nothing better than walking into school.
Everyone smiled, asked me what my name was, where I'm from.
As soon as I walked through these doors, I saw and I felt the warm energy and ruach.
I remember walking into MTA. It was just such a welcoming environment.
Know that they are here to help you grow. Whether it's in your learning, in your academics, in your hashkafa, in anything else that you want to do, they're ready to help you. Welcome to MTA.
MTA is every community's school. You can come here and you feel like you belong. You feel like you have a place.
Top Talmidim from every community are coming here.
Bergen County, Long Island, Brooklyn, Muncie, 5 towns.
Everything that we do places an emphasis and a primacy on Talmud Torah, on helping to cultivate midos, to grow in our learning, to grow in our skills, in our relationship, our personal connection with the Torah.
And each Rebbe designs their shir uniquely to their Talmidim. Some shirim are focused on broadening lumdis, some are focusing on individual skills. All shirim are focused on the growth of your shemayim and the potential for each Talmud.
They really just make you enjoy learning more and you connect to it more.
I think the connection that the Talmidim have with the Rebbeim is a very close connection, and it really allows more conversation outside of the classroom to connect closer to your Rebbe.
MTA has actually a really good balance between Limudei Kodesh and Limudei Chol.
MTA's education is education uncompromised. That means you're going to grow throughout every aspect of the day.
They want you to have the knowledge to be a Ben Torah and to function in society today.
Even though there's great learning in the morning, there's also great teachers in the afternoon.
They're all knowledgeable about their subject, they're great at teaching, and they all care about you.
It's not just about the content, it's about learning the skills that are behind the content as well.
It's rigorous, it's challenging, and there are so many opportunities that exist here that don't exist anywhere else.
When you walk into a classroom, you will find students who are engaged in conversations, who are eager to learn, who are asking questions.
There are so many levels of support at MTA, ranging from teachers being available to their students in and out of the classroom, to having an advisory period.
You can always go to them for a helping hand, ask them a question, and you're never alone at MTA.
The tracking allows for students to be appropriately challenged but not overwhelmed.
There's a lot of conversation about how we can help motivate and guide and help students grow so they can reach their full potential.
We have a wide variety of electives, from business entrepreneurship, graphic design, engineering, computer science, even mass medium if you want to learn even more.
The vibe around MTA is incredible.
I feel like I know everybody here.
It's exciting to see them navigate their ways through the hallway and discover everything that yeshiva has to offer.
When the final bell rings at the end of the day, things are just getting started here.
There's always something going on. There's always people here.
Almost everyone stays in school. They do mishmar, then they do extracurricular activities, then they do night seder. Kids are staying till 10, 11 o'clock. I usually start my time off by making sure that I do my chazara and I learn in the base medrash, and I get to choose how I do it here at MTA.
There's something for everyone, whether it's athletics, arts, graphic design.
There is pathway clubs like the legal pathway club and the medical pathway clubs, extracurricular clubs like the mock trial team, the cooking club.
Media and like Lions Live, camera, editing, PR, and flyers club, and Torable, of course, can't forget about that one.
No week is the same here in Yeshiva. Every week brings new excitement, new opportunities. Next week we have Mishmar Madness. We have our school-wide Shabbaton. Every week there's something else going on.
One of the highlights of the year for me was the Sudas Parade, where everyone gets together and they sit and have a huge kumsitz. It was wonderful getting to see all of my rebbeim, all of my friends, my parents, everyone was all together.
I love being on the YU campus. It's just wonderful to walk around and be surrounded by college kids.
During lunch, I can go to the YU CAF, I can go to the YU gym.
Thursday nights we have mishmar. We get paired with a YU student. Every single week we learn a new little thing, a new little parsha.
Being on a YU campus offers many advantages. It gives you a vision and it gives you a goal. To walk around a vibrant college campus comprised of B'nai Torah, it gives the boys inspiration and motivation.
Having access to all these Rosh Yeshivas, you feel like you're more than part of just a high school. You're part of a real yeshiva.
We are very excited about 4 brand new programs here at MTA that speak to and strengthen our integration with Yeshiva University. There's the YU Honors Pathways Program, the Residency Advancement Program, the MTA YU Share Partnership, and the YU High School's Leadership Track.
One of the biggest new initiatives is that you could finish YU in 2.5 years when it normally takes 3, and take an entire semester off by taking YU classes while you're still in high school.
The YU MTA Share Partnership is a truly unique program.
Each year was just assigned a Rebbe from YU, who they get to have as their YU Shir Rebbe. They have the YU Honors Program, where students who come and maintain a certain average and SAT score get automatic YU honors.
In the Yeshiva University High School Leadership Track, Talmidim have the opportunity to spend time as part of a cohort focused on leadership skills to develop their own potential to become the next leaders of Klal Yisrael.
The goal is, after your 4 years at MTA, to have a knowledge of what you're good at and what you can do, and to be pushed to be the best version of yourself.
A successful MTA Talmud is one who is as comfortable in the Beis Medrash as he is in the boardroom or in the courtroom or in the hospital. He's somebody who is confident that he could contribute to the world in a meaningful way and understands that there's a bigger role to play than just for his own particular growth.
And when a guy sees that he can achieve in both areas, he knows that he can be a very, very successful professional as well as a real Ben Torah.
We graduate leaders. We graduate strong, confident young men who are ready to go out into the world and become the future leaders of the Jewish people.
I feel like MTA is its own community in a way. Everybody comes from different places, but once you're in MTA, it's all part of the MTA family.
I think the message about MTA is caring about each and every individual, always looking to help each other out, help Klal Yisrael out.
No matter if you're a senior sitting next to a freshman, there's always someone with like arm in arm singing with you.
There's a sense of like oneness, there's a sense of achdus, and like with everyone together.
It's like a family, it's like a one big family.
Every day that I'm here, I know that I'm going to have an awesome experience in my classes, an awesome experience with my friends. I look forward to coming every single day.
That's why we have been for nearly 100 years and will continue to be into the next century a household name in modern Orthodox Yeshiva high school education.